Take 5. Action!
Hello! Welcome to the first episode of BRISA Tutorials. Today we're going to show you our Corby countersinks and how to use them. Let's go! Here we have a setup of 3 different countersinks, a 3/16, a 1/4 inch and a 5/16. They all work the same way. The only difference is the size. So when you choose your Corby countersink, make sure to match it with the size of your rivets. You can use the Corby countersink for Corby rivets, loveless rivets, cutlery rivets and Torx fasteners. The Corby countersink consists of a shank, flutes and a pilot tip. We will now demonstrate how you can use the countersinks in 2 different ways. Starting out with a handheld screwdriver. Place your knife on the part you want to use as your knife handle. Secure the placement by using clamps. Then drill the holes using the pilot drill that comes with the kit. Switch to the countersink to make the sunken hole for the rivet. You can now continue to shape the scales. We will use a pre-made trooper kit here to demonstrate. Now it's time to install your rivets. Cut the rivets, sand and polish. There you have your knife. You can also use a pillar drill machine. Did you get it all? Let's have a super quick recap. Drill, sink, done. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.